last week I didn't do my review because of my mini Mac was messed up, the software, so I had to go fix it. But okay, before I go there, it's about to be 8 a.m. 19 July. We have CPI for GDP, so we are like 10 seconds away to that CPI. So I just want to see the movement for the CPI, then I will do my review. But my entry for the GDP, I'm planning to enter here on this point here. So here's the CPI now. Okay, it's going down. Okay. Does this means we're not coming back? Yeah, it means we're not coming back. It definitely means we're not coming back. Shit. It's a big movement, eh? It's a huge movement. So let me just see the GDP. Because most of my GDP pairs were retracing. So this one is also going down. Most of the GDP pairs were retracing. Yo, I wouldn't have predicted this. I honestly wouldn't have predicted this. The problem with the fundamentals is that you find yourself in a big negative if you're not in the right direction. So I try not to trade it at all for those reasons. I try my best not to trade it unless I'm already in a trade already. But if I'm not, I just let it go. Okay, it's fine. As much as it's gone here, I'm just gonna put my pending orders on this level here. But I feel like it's gone already. I'm not seeing it coming back here anytime soon, unless in the middle of the day it comes back to this level, and then I will keep my trade because I was planning on selling it when it comes to this level here. Let's see how a daily candle looks now. So the daily candle looks like this. Now let me remove these ones here so that I can try to find something here. So not a problem. We can still get a retracement here. So the only way for me to trade this GDP CAD, I'm just gonna wait for a retracement just around this level here. So what it can do is I'm gonna wait for it to retrace, maybe make a reversal candle or some sort, which is today's Wednesday, probably tomorrow or Friday. It might make some kind of reversal here or a spike, but once it gives me that indication, that okay, now we are going up, and that's when I will be going up with this trade. So for now, let me just remove these, because now when I look at on a daily candle, I see a total different thing. Now coming back to these ones here, let's also look at them in a daily form. Nice. This one in a daily form, it didn't actually affect a lot. It didn't affect us a lot. Nice. 4 hours still looking fine also. Okay, I'll come back to review this one. Not sure which one again. Let's look at the daily. I think we are coming back for those retracements because we've broken a high last week. So we're just coming back for those what do you call fair value gap. Yeah. Okay. On the last one here, this one should be going up. Yes. When was it? I don't remember when, but I analyzed that this pair will be yes. Yeah. Sometimes I don't listen to what I'm saying because on a weekend I analyzed that this pair will be uh, guys. Sometimes I get mad at myself because on the weekend I analyze that this pair will be breaking this high, yeah, and then coming back to fetch a fair value gap before it comes and break here. And it did the very same thing. But am I in a trade? Lo, nix. I'm not. I'm definitely not in a trade. Shit. Yeah, this was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Nevertheless, okay, I'm just gonna pause for now and I'm gonna look for the pairs that I will be trading today and reviewing for the rest of the week. I just wanna do the second part of this video, which is the review for the week. Yeah. As much as it's now Wednesday, remember I do the reviews that take long. Yeah. When I'm saying it take long, whatever review I'm gonna give you now, it can take you a week or two for the market to get um, where I'm predicting now. Yeah. Just to quick recap on the analyst I did last week, which is Euro NZD. There we go. So Euro NZD, remember last week, ne? We are actually in TP. Yeah, we are in TP. Last week I predicted the Euro to be turning here on this point, and we did our turn back to this point here. And I think I posted this. I'm not sure if I posted it on Instagram, but I know that on my Facebook page, I did post this. Let me just check something on my Instagram. Let me just double check on my Instagram. But no, you can always go to my Instagram and check this analysis. Let me just not waste time. Ne? You can go to my Instagram. I think I have it on my Instagram. Just go to my Instagram. It's the post I posted when. Let me just double check. 4th. Yeah, 4th of July. So We are almost on TP. Ne? So now let me just give you another quick one. Now we are on this one here, which is GDP CAD. Ne? Now our GDP CAD has reached our, what do you call this? We call it our trading zone, or it's either you can call it trading zone or point of interest. So here's my predictions on this one. On a long trade, my point of interest, you can put your stop loss here. Put your stop loss here and our TP there. So our TP will be there. We are coming back to this point here on our TP. Yeah. And then on this point here, this one I predicted it last week that it will be breaking. Yeah. So going forward, we're gonna wait for a retracement to cover this fair value gap, ne? And to cover the fair value gap, even if it can cover the 50% fair value gap, which I'm gonna use my fib to calculate that, 50% fair value gap, then we continue going up with it for today. So our 50% fair value gap will be here. Yeah, will be here. Going on a smaller time frame, we should get a demand or a supply. Yes, there we go. So here's the small order block, and we have an fair value gap that needs to be covered. So we have this fair value gap that needs to be covered. So this is actually a nice point to say, on the 50%, I'm planning to take this Euro GDP up. Now coming back to JPY, ne? GDP JPY. GDP JPY, I'm actually predicting a buy also. I'm predicting a strong buy. It's just a matter of, okay, we have reached the point that I was looking for. But my only problem here is that we didn't break this level here, this point here. This point was not broken. But this point, we have reached it today, which is a good sign. Now let's see how it reacts on this point. And then if it comes back the second time, chances are it's gonna break because it's been trying to come back. It came back once, came back second times, now the third time. So the fourth time, chances are it's gonna break. But if it doesn't break this point here, and then it's coming to break this one here. It's coming to break this point over here. So yeah, that would be my predictions for the GDP JPY. So yeah, good luck guys and happy trading. Cheers.